In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Argos Credit Card. We'll walk through the exact path on the Argos website and use their support options to request a cancellation in a clear, straightforward way. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Argos Card. From the results, open the official Argos site and head to the page labeled Sign in Argos. You don't need to log in for this guide. We're using the help routes available from that page. Once the sign-in page loads, look for the help link at the top of the site. Click Help to open Argos' support hub. On the help page, scroll until you reach the section that says Still Stuck. This area is designed for situations where you need to talk to someone. Click Contact Us under that section to see all the ways you can reach Argos. On the Contact Us page, you'll see several options. There's a Message Us section for sending a message via their listed platforms, a Call Us option if you prefer to speak on the phone, and a Chat Now button for instant web chat. All three can get your request started, but for this walkthrough, we'll use live chat because it's fast and easy to document. Click Chat Now. A short form will pop up first, type your first name, then select Continue. On the next screen, enter your email address so Argos can match your details and send any follow-up confirmation, then tap Continue again. This takes you into the chat window. In the chat box, clearly state your request. For example, I'd like to cancel my Argos credit card. If you have any outstanding balance or promotional plans, the advisor will explain your options and next steps. Be ready to confirm your identity. They may ask a few security questions to protect your account. It can help to have your account details handy, but avoid sharing full card numbers or sensitive information in the chat unless the advisor specifically requests what's needed and the chat is clearly secure. During the conversation, you can ask for confirmation of the cancellation and whether you'll receive a written confirmation by email. If you've set up any direct debits or recurring payments on the card, make a note to move those to another payment method once the cancellation is processed. The advisor will let you know if there's anything else you need to do and when the closure will take effect. And that's it. By using the help section, going to Still Stuck, choosing Contact Us, and starting a chat now, you can request your Argos credit card cancellation quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get it done with zero stress.